So strange these eyes are. Oh, foolish perception. These were his words, his exact words. He said he loved her and wanted to surprise her. I could not handle him. There was no proof against him. But I think I know someone who could get a confession out of him.
Back to you later. So, how's your day going?
If a guy like him couldn't get a confession out of me and got scared and left that chair, what makes you think you're gonna get a confession out of me?
I'm not him. What's going on here is all I'm concerned about.
What do you want to know?
Were you on the 26th of August?
I don't.
I know you do. You were seen in these photographs. She clicked.
Oh, yes. I remember that day.
So that means you remember the day she died.
We used to meet in the park every day.
Lurking behind a little girl, stalking her, is not called meeting, my friend.
I don't care. I just wanted to see her.
What if I told you that she left a gift for you?
What gift?
You know, I met your friend a couple of times before she died.
There is no gift, right?
What's all the hurry about? We'll get there. Slowly.
But what about the...
We have a whereabouts. You were identified by a lot of people. You were there in the park that day. So agree to this first.
Do you think I'm that dumb?
Come on, it's just one question.
I can't see you benefiting from this. So, maybe I was there. Maybe I wasn't. But now tell me, what did she leave behind for me?
I guess you met Emily's mother that day, right?
If you want the answer, you have to tell me what gift you are talking about.
In this room, there's only one person who's going to ask you the questions. And it's not you.
See, I really don't know what happened to her. But yes, I met her mother.
So what did you two talk about?
I just wanted to get closer to that little girl. When I greeted her, her eyes glittered up. Her eyes like the stars, and her smile like the moon.
Has anyone ever told you you're too disgusting for this world?
I don't care.
Unfortunately, I do. So let me get this straight. According to the witness in the park, and now you, obviously, on the 26th of August, you were seen greeting the child and the mother at 2:45 p.m.
Yeah, so?
Good, good. So we exchanged conversations with her. And exactly 30 minutes later, Emily's mother was dead.
Wait. What? She died?
So next day, Emily's cadaver was found near her house.
Again, I did not
Yeah,
kill.
I've heard that before. So riddle me this. Why is a pedophile like you roaming around in a park filled with children?
Yeah, I take break from my work occasionally. Is that wrong too?
Work, you say. You work in a factory, right?
Yes, near Collins Street.
Which is 800 meters away from the park.
I don't know what to say.
So we've got photographic evidences of you meeting her mother exactly 30 minutes before she died. You say you shared a special connection with the little girl, and you work exactly 3 minutes away from where this fiasco happened.
And what?
And you agreed that you met her on the 26th of August, a Tuesday.
Yes, I did meet them. But it might not have been a Tuesday.
Why is that?
Because I don't work on Tuesdays. I might be somewhere else.
But the factory owner stated that you work on Tuesdays.
He's lying. Steve's lying.
Steve?
Emily's father. He killed her.
Yes, calm down, calm down.
This is a setup. You have to understand. Steve killed her. Steve is the murderer. He's putting the blame on me. Please believe me. You have to catch that murderer. You have to catch that murderer. He killed Emily.
I know. Calm down, calm down.
What do you mean by you know?